A boat for all feelings. Once there was an island where all the feelings and emotions lived together. One day, a big storm from the sea was about to drown the island. Every emotion on the island was scared, but love made a boat to escape all the feelings. Jumped in the boat, except for one sense. Love got down to see who it was. It was ego. Love tried its best to bring ego to the boat, but ego didn't move. Everyone asked love to leave ego and come in the boat. Love was meant to love. It remained with ego. All other feelings were left alive, but love died because of ego. Thanks for watching.